email from Mark. He says, Dr. Berman, I made the mistake when I first got with my fiance to just wolf down whatever food she made to make her feel good. She actually likes cooking, but she's just awful at it. Nothing is right. It's always oversalted. Sometimes I look at her like, did you taste this? Anyway, now we're moving in together and she's telling me that she's excited because she can cook for me when she gets home from work. And I don't know what to do. Honestly, once in a while, I can deal with what she makes, but not every day. I should never have lied in the beginning. How do I get out of eating her slop? Aw, Mark, that's so sad. Yes. And very sweet that you tried to do her a solid. But look, obviously she likes cooking, okay? And maybe she doesn't taste the salt or likes things salty. But it's actually wonderful that she likes cooking, and she may just not know yet how to cook. And, there are lots of ways to go about this. Yeah, let's take a cooking class together, right? Where you learn to make certain dishes together. Or get her a cookbook and say, since you're so excited at cooking, I thought that these are recipes that I would really love to eat. And you flag 10 recipes that aren't too complicated that she can follow. Right? Or you stay in the kitchen with her and say, I want to cook with you. And then as she's cooking, you say, you know what, honey, let's try less salt tonight, or let's try this sauce, or you sort of guide her into it. What you don't want to do is like, listen, girl, I've been eating slop this whole relationship because I didn't want to hurt your feelings and you suck. Like, you don't want to do that. But I think you can guide her into honing her craft and taking it to the next level. And you can even participate in that. And then if it's something that she's honing and taking to the next level, then there's an entree for you to be like, oh yeah, this new recipe you tried is really great, but it would be even better if it had a little less salt. And then it's less about her judgment and more about your participation in this new endeavor together. You know what I mean? So hopefully that gives you a starting point. Let us know how it goes, and you can email too if you need some help. 855-5UNCOVER.